Hello guys, welcome to Techcheater.com. This is Ishan here. So in this video I'll be telling you what is the price of iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 Pro Max in China. So this is my small beautiful article which is comparing prices of different iPhone models, iPhone 12 models basically, in different countries of the world. So I'll be publishing another video which will be elaborating the details of the cheapest iPhone price across the world. But this video is specifically for the prices of iPhone models in China. And if you will be waiting for my next video, just do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. This is Ishan here, and let's continue with our video. So this is the official Apple website of China. So basically they are classifying the models 12 Pro and 12. So we'll start with 12 Pro. So now 12 Pro, I don't want to translate. If you want to translate, you can. Okay. So now the website is loading. It's giving some problems with the connection. Yeah. Okay. So iPhone 12 Pro, it's 8499 RMB. RMB is China currency. So I'll just simply type RMB to USD. 12 Pro is 8499. 8499. So it's approximately 1270 USD. And similarly, 12 Pro Max is 9299. 1389. So now you can compare. I have cut short all the prices and have put it here. So iPhone 12, it's approximately 941 USD, and iPhone 12 Pro it's 1270, and in USA it's 999. So you can see the price difference. So it's very costly in China as compared to United States of America. Similarly, for 12 Pro Max, it's 1389 USD, which is 1099 USD in USA. Again, you can check for the prices of iPhone 12. That was Pro. This is 12. 12 will be having mini and normal 12. So you can see the prices. What's happening to the website? See, this is starting from 5499. You can convert it, or you can check this on Techcheater.com. This is very good website for your information. So 12 mini, it will cost you around 821.88 USD, and in USA it's 699. Similarly, iPhone 12 is 941 USD, which is priced at 799 USD in USA. So you can see the price difference, and if you're planning to purchase it from China, then I'll just recommend you to check this link and see where prices are least, where it is cheapest, and if you have any relative or friend, you can ask them to buy it for you. So this is it for the prices of iPhone 12 in China. I'll be publishing more great content. Just do subscribe to my channel, click the bell.